Okay, next VLSI lab. Here VLSI lab subject code is 17 ECL 77 7th semester VLSI lab. Myself Veena S. Okay, so we'll come into the syllabus. So first is inverter, next buffer, transmission gate, then basic universal gates, flip flops, adders, counters, and SAR. This is party experiment, that is digital design system. Next analog system, in that signal inverter, single stage differential amplifier, common source amplifier, common drain amplifier, then operational amplifier, R2R DAC, and SR based ADC. So these are the syllabus for an VLSI lab. So coming to first month, we'll see the inverter, how to do the inverter experiment. Okay, now these are the design flow, how to do the experiment, that how to use that software, that step by step procedure is there in manual. You just go through it. So in manual there is an all steps, how to check it out, output, simulation, everything. Now coming to CMOS inverter, how to write the Verilog program. Here we are writing the Verilog program, then test bench program, Verilog program, then test bench program, and we are going to check it out. Here is an inverter. First is an inverter, and this is a symbolic diagram. Symbolic diagram. Now we have to see the logic diagram also. Symbolic diagram, here where A input and output. Inverter, you know it, whatever you give the input, so you will get the inverter of it 1. Whatever if you give 1, then you will get the inverter of it, that is 0. So inverter, this is an inverter working condition. Now we will see the once. Here is a CMOS logic diagram for an inverter. Here this is an PMOS and this is an NMOS, both series connection. Both drain terminal is connected, that is given to the output, and this source is connected to VDD. NMOS source is connected to ground, and both drain terminals is given to, both gate terminals is given to an input. This is a logic diagram for an CMOS inverter. Now we have to do the two types of program you have to write. One is switch level and one is gate level. Switch level means using PMOS and NMOS you should write. Another one is gate level, that is directly you should write. Now coming to switch level code, I will explain you how to write the switch level code. Here is a program. So this is an circuit. Now I will show you the switch level code, how to write the switch level code. Here is a program. Here is a program. Module A, inverter, A, Y, output Y I have taken, input to A, and VDD and VSS. Supply VDD and VSS. Input A, VSS and VDD, output Y. So PMOS, P transistor, always you should write first to drain terminal, then source, then gate terminal. Drain terminal, source terminal, and gate terminal. Drain terminal for PMOS, Y I have taken. Next to supply VDD, then gate terminal A. Next NMOS, both gate terminals are same. Both the output terminals are Y. Only NMOS source is connected to VSS and PMOS source is connected to VDD end module. This is a switch level code. And next test bench code. Here is a test bench code. Here is a test bench code. So same inverter. So inputs I have to take it as a register. Output it will take it as a wire. Next inverter, whatever the name you have given previously, same name you should give, DUT. So same inputs output you should write. And you should give always supply is 1 and out this one ground is 0, that is fixed. And you check it out. First apply A is equals to 0 and check it out what is output. Next after every 2 nanosecond give A is equals to 1 and you check it out the output. Next again 2 nanosecond give A is equals to 0 and check it out the output. So we are going to change the inputs and we are going to check the output Y what you will get it. And this is common for all experiment. Initially finish monitoring input and output, then end module. This is a test bench code for an inverter. Okay. Next I will show you how to do the simulation. On a desktop, right click, create a folder. I'll take one inverter program. Inverter. Okay, so inside that just create one empty file. That I'll give inv.v. Okay, and one more test bench file. So create one empty file, that is inv hyphen test.v. So one inverter file and one test bench file. So here, so open this and you type the program. So type the program. I'll copy the program. I already explained you how to write the program. Just copy, then type here, type the program, save. .v file, so program. Next to test bench file, same test bench file, just copy. I'm going to copy the program. I already explained you how to write the program. Just copy that program, copy, test bench file, paste. So I explained the program, save. So both the programs I have typed and I have saved it. Okay. Next step is open the right click. Sorry, delete this. Right click, open terminal, type csh, enter. Next type source space / cad as cshrc, enter. Next type nc launch space minus new, enter. Now multi-step, create csv file, save. Don't include any library files. Okay. Now so this here, observe here two files are there. This compare, then compile it program. So here it will generate. Now again test bench file, compile, both are generated. Now select this. Now you have to extract. Now you can see snapshot, there is no for it will generate, extract. So here don't click generate. Next select extract. So it has generated. Next test bench file, select. Now see the waveform window. Test bench file you have to select and see the waveform, because there only we have given the inputs. Now observe here, close that. Observe this test bench file, select, right click, center, waveform window, run. So I told you for 2 nanoseconds, first I will give input 1, then output will be 0. Inverter always supply is 1, VDD is 1 and Vs is 0. That is fixed. You can check it out, any output, any input or output. Now you are now next you see here, input is 0, output you are getting 1. Next 2 nanoseconds, input is input, then I will input is 0, then output you are getting 1. This is the waveform window. This is a waveform window. This is an inverter for an switch level. This is an inverter for an switch level. Okay. Next inverter for an gate level. Next we'll do the inverter for an gate level. Switch level, gate level difference is switches. In switch level we are using a PMOS and NMOS. But for an NMOS, for an gate level we won't use it. I'll show you. Why we have to use means, for switch level we won't get the area, power, timing. For an gate level we will get the area, power and timing. So we have to see the area, power, timing. For that here is a program, same gate level program, means B is equals to naught of A, means inverter we are doing, right? So B is an output, A is an input, assign B is equals to naught of A. This is a program for a gate level. If you use PMOS and MOS, then that will be switch level. This is a gate level program. And next to is an inverter. Next we have to create the test bench file, inverter test bench file, and here is a test bench program, module inverter underscore test bench register A, wire B, inverter duty, initial begin A0, A1 after 9 seconds, then you have to check the output. And so this is a test bench program for an inverter. And so both I will copy. So I will show you how to do, how it works. Create a folder. So inverter for a gate. Okay. So there, paste. So both the programs has copied. Same. Open the terminal. Space cshrc. So space / cat cshrc. Then nc launch minus new, multi-step. So this one select, compile. Second. Pause. So next to open terminal, type cshrc, so space / cat cshrc, again nc launch space new, multi-step, create a file, save, yes, don't include any library file, okay. Now you can observe here, select this, extract it, your work library automatically will generate, extract, second test bench file, extract, so automatically it is generated, 2 files, so again this one compile it, again this one extract, see this also extract, so snapshot, automatically these 2 were generated, and select the test bench and see the waveform window, select that, right click, send to waveform window, then run. I told you I have changed for 100 nanoseconds, I have changed it. If you make it 0, if it 1, then if it make it 1, then it will be 0. This is the waveform window. Now I want it area time of power report, area power timing report. For that, on desktop there will be one file, one RC script file on desktop, one RC script file is there. Here you copy that file, copy it and save it on your drive, copy and save, copy and paste it and a subscript file, and you have to change the name here, .v file name, whatever your file name is there, inv.v, so you just change it to inv. Here orgate is there, change it to inv, and wherever R is there, you type it your file name inv. You want it for an inverter timing and inverter report and inverter power and inverter gate report and inverter gate and inverter netlist inv, then inverter constant inv. Okay, save, close it, same right click, open terminal, type cshrc source, then you write the RC script minus of RC script.tc minus GUI, enter. Now you can see here automatically area, time, power files will be automatically, it will generate. See here you can see automatically the file will be generated. Here is an power report, and next here is an area report, automatically it will generate, and next here is an time report, it has generated. Okay, and RTL diagram, here is an RTL diagram, select, double click on it, here is an RTL diagram for an inverter. This is an inverter gate level program and switch level program. Experiment 1.